Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today, I'm going to show you on how to fix our Gmail account not receiving messages. So may mga instances 'di ba na naranasan natin na yung ating Gmail app is hindi na nagre-receive ng mga new messages. Kasi sa akin mostly nangyayari yan. Siguro weeks ago, yung pinaka-latest na na-receive ko na last message is from I think September 6. Then I always check every day kung may message na bago sa Gmail account ko, then walang lumalabas. And until at the end of September, wala pa din. So I'll try to seek some trouble issues kung paano yun ayusin. Then I'll come up with this, and it really works. Okay, so if you're interested for this tutorial, just keep on watching, don't skip. And please, if you're new here, please do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It was a big help for me. So without further ado, let's start this tutorial. So punta ka lang sa iyong Gmail account. Then I'll go here. Ito yung tatlong line na yan na pahalang. Then go to your settings. And then choose the Gmail account na yung hindi nagre-receive ng new messages. So for example, this one. Then go here. Ito. So sa akin kasi kakaayos ko lang ng Gmail account. So kaya naka-check na yung back. So sa inyo, pag ganun nangyayari na hindi nagre-receive ng message, then you open the settings. Pag nagpunta kayo dito sa sync Gmail, i-check nyo lang yung box na yan kasi wala yung check. And then after that, please go back and go to your settings na app dun sa cellphone mo mismo. Then find your app management or list of app, depende kasi sa unit ng cellphone and the brand, diba? Pag hanapin nyo lang yung app list nyo, then choose the Gmail app. Wait lang, choose the Gmail app on your app list and open it. Then if you're already here, just click this storage usage, then click the clear data. Ayan. Clear app data. This app data will be permanently deleted. This includes files, settings, databases, and other app data. So, just click OK. Kasi, ganun lang yung lalabas dito. But then, if you're open again your Gmail account, babalik ko yan sa dati. Walang mawawala. Even though yung mga sent messages mo, yung mga outbox, yung mga spam, or ano, babalik pa rin yan sa dati. Then, you will go to receive a new messages na. Ayun. And then, okay, and go back again to your Gmail account. Then, pag once na nag-open na kayo ng Gmail account, ganito na yung lalabas. So ayan. So, pipiliin mo yung Gmail account na ginamit mo kanina. So, i-click lang natin siya. Naglalag ang aming internet. Okay, got it. Ayan. So, ayan na. After nun, ganito na yung mangyayari. Kung dati hindi ka nakaka-receive ng mga messages, ngayon, ang mangyayari, papasok na lahat ng messages na hindi mo na-receive during those time na nag-stuck lang yung Gmail account mo. Ayan. So, gamitin nyo lang to, and once na nagkaroon kayo ng issues regarding sa Gmail account yun na hindi kayo naka-receive ng mga messages, this is very useful. Kasi ilang beses ko na itong ginagawa sa aking Gmail account. Because I always encounter those issues when it comes to my Gmail. So that would be all. I hope you like this video. Please do like this video, and if you have your comments, suggestions, or questions, just comment down below para masagot natin yan. And kung may mga gusto pa kayong malaman ng mga tutorials, just comment down below para magawa natin ang way on how we are going to solve it, and I will going to show you if ever we find a way for that. Thank you so much. God bless you all, and bye.